Meaning of double-cross.
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 Double-cross. Double-cross means to betray someone who trusts you by secretly working against them or cheating them. It involves breaking a promise or agreement made with someone and going against them in a treacherous manner. The result of a double-cross can be severe, causing the betrayed individual to feel hurt and angry, and potentially leading to negative consequences for both parties involved. Such actions can also damage trust and negatively impact relationships, making it difficult for the parties to work together in the future.